Alright, so voice is all cracking. We're about to open something that I am very excited about. So yeah. Like, when I tell y'all, height, you guys already may be able to see what it is just from this here, but first we'll open this part in here. So here we go. This, it's a leather dash cover, and it does come with a plastic trim tool. Luckily, I did buy a set, but we're already covered, so I don't even have to wait. We'll put this right here, and whew, let's hope that this is at least a close match. Oh yes, can already tell that this is going to be good. So we have an Alcantara. Smells, oh yeah, it's the adhesive. I was gonna say it smells odd, but yeah, that's the adhesive. So we have the dash right here. This is the whole thing. So I'm gonna set you guys up in the headrest of the car and just lay it on top just so we can get a look-see of how this thing will be. And then tomorrow we'll see if we can install it. So yeah, because this is like one of the main things, because I did order some more Alcantara. So yeah. So we're in the car. Clearly. So this thing is gonna go something like this. Somewhere, I don't know where, this thing is gonna go like this. So this part is gonna fold down like this, and then this part is gonna tuck here, tuck down. Oh wow, even just pulling this thing over, like, oh yeah, this is gonna be so sick. So yeah, like even just pulling this thing over seems like it should be a pretty good fit. And it says that you don't really have to take too much off, but I probably will unscrew at least a couple things. But if you guys like just like imagine it, kinda. We slide all this stuff flat and back right here. Oh my god, I'm gonna love this. So pretty much this, oh my god, that was 5x then. But yeah, pretty much it's gonna be like this. Oh, and we can actually use flash with the far zoom out thingy. But like, as you guys can see, like, it looks like it's gonna fit pretty good, so we can just tuck everything around and do all of that. But just lining it up right here, just if you can think about that, like, boom. And then we are gonna get some Alcantara part to go here. I'm gonna probably keep this leather here and put the carbon here, and I may do Alcantara just at the, so what I'm thinking of doing is Alcantara over the plastic, and then keep the leather, do this in carbon maybe. But I just want this thing, like, because the black leather is pretty nice, and I am going to get black leather seats. I was going to change it to fox red, but I do like the black on black now that I'm like, you know, just more so like thinking about it. And I also even would like to get a second E92 M3 with a fox red interior to do a custom build in fox red, but that's a story for another day. But this thing is gonna look so good. I'm very excited for this. And yeah, this is like, just look at that. And this is, of course, you can see right here where the oil from your hand is versus the not oil. So if you compare it like in here to this, it's exactly the same. And then this part is kind of wearing a bit, so I'm considering changing this to carbon. But for right now, this is good. And I'm also considering doing this part like here in the Alcantara, since this is going to be, what do you call it? Since this is going to be carbon. Those fucking bugs. But yeah, this is a super quick video. I'm super excited. I'm about to go somewhere, so I'm going to be doing this tomorrow. But yeah, when we install it, I'm really so excited for this. Like, it looks like it fits good. Looks like it just tucks in and adheres to this thing. So maybe I'll have to put like some alcohol or acetone on it to like deglaze it. Well, yeah, deglaze it, because it's gonna be unglazed. So yeah, looks like that's all we need to do. And then maybe some adhesion promoter, not sure, don't think so, but yeah, once we do that, should be all set. And that's the beginning of the really good interior mods. I am so excited for this. You guys have no idea. Like, this is going to be one of my favorite mods. I've always wanted to do this. And I also may start selling them because I found a good vendor. It won't be like crazy expensive or anything like that. But, you know, once I show it off a bit and see what people say, then we'll go from there. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Get you guys in the next one. I may record what I do after this. I don't know. Actually, I probably will. So this may not be the end of the video. So the pictures of this place don't look anywhere near as good as like when they're actually here, which is odd because it looks like a, not cheap, but like a regular place, at least with like the lighting and the darker colors and everything. The ambiance is like a lot nicer and more calm. I would think that it was more so like one of those like lively TV type bars, but it's not. And I just noticed that I'm recording on the wrong camera, so I'll go to my other phone in a second. So yeah, you can probably tell the better quality of the low light because this one's a little bit better, but yeah, like I was saying, like the ambiance of the place is a lot better than it does in the pictures. The pictures look super bright and everything like that. I'm not sure if it changes with like the time of day that they dim the lights a bit, but it's a lot more vibey in here now. So, and that's just my aesthetic, because before I thought it was super bright in here, which I don't like.